Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix slow download speeds on Opera GX. First, open your Opera GX browser. Now type chrome://flags/ in the address bar and press enter. You will see a list of experimental features for Opera GX. Look for the search field in the top right corner and type in parallel downloading. Once you find it, enable parallel downloading and click on relaunch. And there you have it, guys. Your download speed should now be improved than before. Thanks for joining us today. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel.